Hello everyone. As you know, writing notice is very common in schools until 10th grade. But students are confused about the format of a notice. You might be reading newspapers. Have you observed notices in it? Have you ever wondered that the notices in newspaper occupy very small place but they give lot of information to a person. So let us learn about the format of notice writing. I am Santosh Kiran. Welcome you all to my channel The Grammar World. Notices are means of formal communication targeted at a particular person or a group of persons. This can be an invitation to a meeting, to an announcement of any event. It can be written to issue certain instructions, or it can be written to make appeals. It is generally written and displayed at a public place where it is accessible to all. They can be pasted on notice board. Even if it is meant for a wider audience, it can be published in a newspaper. Format of notice writing. Since notices are a formal document, it should follow a structure or a format. First comes name of the issuing organization or authority. Right at the very top, we must mention the name of the company or the institution that is issuing the said notice. This will help the reader to identify the notice as important or unimportant to him. Second comes the title. When writing notice, we mention a title notice at the top in capital letters just below the organization name. This helps to draw the attention to the document, as notices are generally posted at a public place or published in newspapers. Third comes the date. Date should be written in the form of date in number, month in words, and then year after the title to the left hand side. We print the date on which the notice have been published. Next comes heading. An appropriate heading must be given to a notice. This heading should make abundantly clear the purpose of writing notice. Example, if you are writing about the celebrations of annual day in a school, we have to mention annual day celebrations. If it is a school debate competition, then we have to mention inter-school debate competition as heading. Next, it is followed by body. After the heading, we write the brief and to the point of the body of the notice. The main content of the notice features in the body. The body should contain all the necessary information required in the notice, like time, venue, last date, and it should be written in passive voice without the use of first person. It is followed by signature. The person who is responsible for notice, his signature should come. For example, you are Amit or Anita, the head boy or head girl of the school. Then you have to sign as Amit or Anita. When name is not mentioned, then you have to assume yourself as XYZ or ABC and sign accordingly. Followed by writer's name. At the end of notice, we write the name and designation of the notice writer. Designation. It is a post of the person who is drafting the notice, like head boy or head girl or librarian or cabinet secretary. Content necessary in a notice. Notice should cover some important points that are to be communicated to the readers. Let us summarize the 5 points. First one, what? What is the notice about? Notice should be clear about what is going to happen or what has already happened. This is the crux of the message and should be written clearly. There should not be any ambiguity. Second, where? If the notice is about an event, then the location of such an event must be written clearly. The venue or the location are important details, so make sure to include this in the notice. Third, when? This is the time and the date of the event or meeting. If possible, the duration of the event should also be mentioned so that people can schedule their time accordingly. Fourth, who? This will be who the notice is addressed to. Who all are supposed to adhere to the notice should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Fifth, whom. And final detail should be whom to contact or get in touch with. This mentions who the appropriate authority is to contact. Tips to remember regarding notice writing. There are 5 points to be remembered. First one is be precise to the point. The ideal length of notice is 50 words. Do not exceed more than that. Second is it is formal form of communication, so language should be formal. Third is keep the sentences short and use simple words. Fourth is we have to use passive voice as far as possible. Fifth is the presentation should be neat and it should be in a proper format in a box. Format of writing notice. Here is a presentation shown with 8 different components of notice writing. First comes the name of the institution or organization. It is followed by notice in capital letters. Third comes date. Date should be written date, month and year, followed by heading of the notice. Then body contents like 5 W's: what, who, when, where. It is followed by signature, name and designation. Here is a sample question. You are secretary of music club of your school. Your school, Springdale High School, is celebrating inter-school music carnival for the students of classes 8th to 10th. Write a notice inviting those who are interested to appear for an audition in the presence of renowned singer Mr. Krishnakant Sharma. Construct necessary details. In this question we can find the institution name Springdale High School, followed by date is not mentioned, so we can write the date of our wish. And next is heading, inter-school music carnival is given here. Next, body we can mention using the details in the question. And next comes the designation, signature and designation. Signature is not mentioned, but designation is given here, secretary of music club of the institution. So using all these details we can make a notice. Name of the institution comes first. So the Springdale High School should be written in capital letters. It is followed by notice, title. Then the date comes. Date should be written in full words, 15 August 2016. It mentions on the date we are writing the notice. Then it is followed by heading, inter-school music carnival. It is followed by content. The content is the school is celebrating inter-school music carnival for classes 8th to 10th on 30 August 2016. The celebrations will be on 30 August 2016. The students who are interested to take part may submit their names of the audition, which will be held in the presence of renowned singer Mr. Krishnakant Sharma on 20 August 2016. So the auditions will be taking place on 20 August 2016. Celebrations will be held on 30 August 2016. So the last date of submission of names is 16 August 2016. Here we have to be very clear about the submission of the names, auditions when they will be held and celebrations when they will be held. For more details, contact the undersigned. Undersigned means the person who is writing the notice, the person who has signed the notice. So as name is not mentioned about the notice writer, so we have to mention XYZ, but his designation is mentioned, so we can write it is a cultural secretary. Let us observe second sample question. You are Smita Secretary, Janata Group Housing Society. You are going to organize blood donation camp. Write a notice in not more than 50 words, urging the members of your society to come in large numbers for this noble cause. Add all necessary details. In this question we find the name of the person is given and designation is given, but a heading is not given. Using all these details, let us observe the notice preparation. As the society name is mentioned in the question paper, we have to write Janata Group Housing Society on the top in the capital letters. Next, it is followed by notice title. It should be in capital letters. Third is the date. As date is not mentioned in the question paper, we can write the date whatever we like. Fourth comes the blood donation camp heading of the notice. Then it is followed by content. In content we have to keep in mind about the location, date, time, everything, and for details what are required for that camp necessary we have to write it. Then it is closed with the signature, and as name is mentioned in the question paper, we have to mention the name instead of writing XYZ Smita, and designation is also mentioned in the question paper, so we have to write secretary. And then layout should be made, four sides the box should be lined. Indicators for writing notice. Discourse specific and language specific will be checked. Discourse specific, the layout what we are giving, the lining and the design, illustrations, whatever we are doing in the notice will carry 1 mark. Language specific will be checked in other forms like contextual relevance and coherence will carry 1 mark. Proper sentence structure carries 1 mark. Brevity carries 1 mark, and punctuation, spellings, conventional writing will carry 1 mark. On the whole, notice writing will carry 5 marks. Notice can be written for various reasons, but the format of notice remains the same. Here are some of the listed headings which can help you to write the notice. Here are some of the notices picked from newspapers presented for you to have a clear look. Every notice has got all 7 parts. The first one is the organization name. Second, it is continued with the title notice. Third, date is mentioned. Fourth, heading of the notice is given. Now fifth comes body and the content is mentioned. And sixth is the signature, name and designation is given below. And the total notice is surrounded by a box. You can have a clear look of all the notices, and you can learn that notice has got all 7 parts including the layout. It becomes 8. Hope these notices will help you to understand how to write a notice appropriately with a formal language and passive voice, and with short and simple sentences. Hope you have understood how to write a notice. Here are some of the notices picked from newspapers presented for you to have a clear look. Every notice has got all 7 parts. The first one is the organization name. Second, it is continued with the title notice. Third, date is mentioned. Fourth, heading of the notice is given. Now fifth comes body and the content is mentioned. And sixth is the signature, name and designation is given below. And the total notice is surrounded by a box. You can have a clear look of all the notices, and you can learn that notice has got all 7 parts including the layout. It becomes 8. Hope these notices will help you to understand how to write a notice appropriately with a formal language and passive voice, and with short and simple sentences. Hope you have understood how to write a notice. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you.